Hello, what's up and what's good, everybody? Thank you for tuning in to Hair by Shaunda TV. In this video today, I will be showing you that you can have long hair and get a sew-in. And everyone who gets a sew-in is not bald-headed, okay? Look at this young lady's hair. Her hair is super long, and we are going to make it even longer using 3 bundles of 26-inch hair. The link to the place where I got the hair, well, it's actually her hair. She sells the hair. So I'll put the link in the description box to her website. But I'm just going to go in and start braiding and show you guys that she can have a super flat sew-in, honey, and her hair is long. So this is how you do it. Oh yeah, before I forget, let me introduce my client in my chair. This is Morgan. Today was Morgan's birthday. Well, on the day I recorded it, it was Morgan's birthday, which was, yeah, anywho. Yeah, so it was Morgan's birthday. This is her birthday hair, and she's ready to have it long and swinging. She didn't really have any plans, but at least she looks good, right? You ain't got to do nothing on your birthday as long as you looking good, honey, and you got some real love in your life from real friends, real people. It's a good birthday, okay? If you notice, while I'm braiding her hair, I'm kind of pulling out the baby hairs that's in the back because you don't want that to be up in the braid because it can cause bumps and irritation. So as I'm braiding, I'm pulling out all the little baby hair, the little loose hair in the back in the nape area so that it would be a comfortable sew-in for her. So now I'm putting on a net. Y'all, so I usually buy the packs of nets and stuff like that from the hair supply store, but I found a whole big old giant roll on Amazon. Y'all probably already know about this. Maybe I'm on a late show. But I was so happy to see that big old roll of net. So if y'all want to grab some of that too and you're doing sew-ins, that'll be linked below as well. So now we're at the fun part that makes everything beautiful and brings out the sleigh and the sewing, honey, sewing in the bundles. So this is 3 bundles of 26 inch. Yeah, 3 bundles of 26 inch body wave hair, and it's really nice hair too. I fold it over in the back because, you don't typically see any lumps or bumps or in the back, but when it gets to the top, I cut those tracks because I like it to lay flat. My customers like it to lay flat too, so. All right, now I'm all finished sewing in this hair and I'm getting ready to flat iron and blend it. It won't be a big problem blending her hair because her hair is so long that you won't see no separation or anything. Like the color and everything is on point. The color of her natural hair, the color of the bundles, everything matches perfectly. So I'm just gonna flat iron it and blend it together. Put a couple curls in there, give it some body, give it a little sex appeal, you know what I do. See, already right now it look like her hair is, you can't even tell where it ends or where it begins too much. Like, that's the beauty of having long hair with the sew-in, because it just blends so well. You don't have like that little bang piece and then super long hair. It looks good. Like, I really like it. It looks like she grew it out herself. Look at that. Wait till I flat iron it, y'all. It just all blends together when I curl it. So y'all know I gotta plug do my shameless plug on my flat irons. These are the Silkmaster Professional Pro flat irons, titanium flat irons, and that's what I am blending her hair with now. So if you want to grab one of those, the link will be below as well. Probably in the comment section I'll put most of this stuff. So yeah, the link to the flat irons will be below. So pick you up a pair, so you can be silky too. And I'm not getting real like high tech with the curls. I'm gonna give her about 8 or 9 big curls in her hair, just because, you know, it's so long with the 20-inch or the 26 inches. I'm sorry, it's so long with the 26 inches. You want it to have a flowy look, not some super tight curly look. Otherwise she would have had curly hair. So you get what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep it in a body wave look and make it look super sultry. Now, here we go. Ooh, girl. Ooh, girl. Your curls are cute. Nice body wave curls. I'm not going to curl it out too much because it was raining outside. So we want to kind of keep the curls as tight. Ain't no telling what she going to get into tonight. And I'm using the world's best edge control, Castle Hair Care Edge Control. Pick you up some, honey, because it is the bomb. And just to lay her edges down a little bit, and voila. Go, girl. Ow. Pretty hair. Well, this is all I have for you today, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Tell your friends about me. Tell them like, oh, this girl named Shaunda be on YouTube slaying the mess out of hair. You know, tell your friends like, oh, she got some bomb flat irons, body flat irons, so you can tell your friends or do your people hair, all that good stuff. Much love to you all. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. God bless. And catch me in my next video.